Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make your photos look cinematic using the Lightroom application on your mobile devices. These simple steps will help your image pop with that movie-like color grading and mood. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Lightroom application on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the image from your device's camera roll that you want to edit. After opening an image, go ahead and click on the light option at the bottom of the screen. Now, increase the contrast slightly to add depth to the image. Scroll down and look for a highlights option and make sure to lower the highlight to preserve the detail. Drag the little white dots toward the left-hand side to lower the highlight. Go to Shadows option and raise the shadow to brighten darker areas. But make sure to keep it subtle. Once you are done, the next step is to apply color grading with the color panel. Click on Color option at the bottom, right next to Light, and then look for Temp. Adjust the temperature to a cooler tone by dragging the little white dot toward the left-hand side. This will usually be a slight blue tint, so go ahead and choose that. And then swipe up and look for Vibrance. When you see the Vibrance option, increase the vibrance by dragging the white dot towards the right-hand side to enhance colors without oversaturation. Now, after you are done, look for Color Mix at the top right and tap on it. Use the Mix feature to individually tweak colors like teal for shadows and orange for highlights. Go ahead and play around with the hue, saturation and luminance option by dragging the slider, and after you are done playing around with the mix feature, click on Done. Now swipe through the bottom menu and click on Detail. Inside Detail, apply Sharpening to enhance the texture. Under Sharpening, go ahead and move the white slider towards the right-hand side in order to sharpen your image. But don't overdo it, and after you are done applying sharpening effect, click on Noise at the top and make sure that you reduce the noise slightly if your photo has grain. But if you don't have grains in your photo, you can leave it as it is. Now go to Color Noise from the top and make sure to play around with the color noise reduction. Reduce the color noise if you want, and once you are done, also make sure to apply some smoothness to the photo. After you are done, you can go ahead and click on Effects at the bottom and choose one of the effects textures. Adjust the sliders and play around with it for a while. You can also apply some vignette effect and grain effect, but you can also leave it as it is if you don't want any grainy effect on your image. After you have applied the effects onto your photo, you are done with your edits. You will not be able to master applying cinematic effect onto your video in just one take, so make sure to play around with the options and effects, and you will be able to make your photos look cinematic in Lightroom application using mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.